some time to self-reflect, so now I'm writing this to you. I'm really sorry in advance for every time I have to ask you if you might have changed your mind. And baby, does it make me crazy thinking about you every day, wishing you'd appear? And maybe I'm losing it 'cause lately I've been writing love songs to a boy without a name. So here's to someday. I'm kinda over all the talk. Miss Independent never worked for me. Now I don't really mind. There's nothing wrong with needing you. Anyone who wants to criticize isn't worth the time. But baby, it doesn't make me crazy thinking about you every day, wishing you'd appear. And maybe I'm losing it 'cause lately I've been writing love songs to a boy without a name. So here's to someday. I know I got a lot of stuff, and honestly it makes me terrified of showing it to you. But my best friend always says that if you're right for me, you'll never leave, and I'm hoping that it's true. So bad.